everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place.stampinup.net, and I'm here today with this cute little quick card. Is it not cute? This would even be cute for Easter if you wanted to put Happy Easter up there. I have Hey Chick, but I thought I would share this cute little card with you. Before we get started, I just want to give you some information. There's a little pink square over here on the right hand side on the bottom. If you could click on that little pink square, it'll let you know every time I've uploaded a video. And if you click the bell, you'll be notified when I upload the video. So, and then you'll be able to know whenever I put a video up. So if you could do that, that would be great and very supportive of me. And if you could share, comment, anything on my videos, I'd really appreciate it. The other thing I want to let you know is we have the Butterfly Brilliance Bundle out, and this, you can get this bundle. It comes out March 3rd of 2021, and the paper is stunning. The whole thing is just a wonderful little bundle. If you in the bottom of the description box below, I will have the information if you would like to order this, and my link to my website is down there, or you can contact me. So I just wanted to give you that information there. Okay, let's get started on this cute little card. So for the base card, I have Smoky Slate, and this is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 in the middle. And then we have a piece of Daffodil Delight, and this piece is 5 1/4 by 4, and that is going to be our next layer. Then we have a piece of Designer Series paper, and this is from the Ice Cream Corner in the mini catalog. And see, on the other side they have the ice creams. This is the sprinkly. I just thought it was wonderful. And it's very bright and cute for cards. And this one is 5 by 3 3/4. So then we'll have that one there. Then we have our Costa Cabana, and this one is 3 3/8 long by 2 3/8 wide. And then we have our stamping piece, which is basic white, and this is 3 1/4 by 2 1/4. Okay, so we're just going to set all this stuff aside, and we're going to get ready to do some stamping. I got the little card right here, and I'm going to show you how I made that fun little chick kind of have all those different colors here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get out our Memento black ink, and we're going to stamp this chick right up. I'll flip it over so I can get his feathers a little better. Okay. And I'm going to stamp him kind of close to the bottom, about like this. And hopefully I can get that chicken in there pretty good with being so far away. Okay. And then we're going to get the chicken. Stamp up, or the Stamparatus would work perfect here if you wanted to line this up absolutely perfect. But I'm going to just go for it here, and hopefully I have it where I want it. Okay. Oh, he's up a little high. Well, I think I'm going to, you know what? I think I'm just going to leave it, because if I flip it over, I might screw it up. Oh, you know what? I'm going to flip it over. That'll bug me. I'm going to get it closer to me, so it might not be able to be seen on screen. It's because I can't see it so far away. Okay. So I'm going to stamp this one right here. And this part may be off screen because I can't quite judge it. Holding my breath. There we go. That's a lot better. I just needed to get it closer to me and not so far away. And then while we got it right here, we're going to stamp the Hey Chick up here. Let me get this closer again too. just want to make sure it's kind of, there we go. Alrighty, so we got that all done. Alright, now we're going to do some coloring, and I'm going to zoom you in so you guys can see my coloring a little bit better than so far away. So the colors we need are Bermuda Bay Light, Pool Party Light, Pumpkin Pie Light and Dark, and Daffodil Delight Light and Dark, and Smoky Slate Light. Okay, so I started at the bottom with our dark Pool Party, and I just kind of, make sure I stay in the camera, I just kind of went right along here, just a little bit. I just kind of had fun with this little chick. And then I went up here in his tail a little bit, like that. Then I came in with the light Pool Party, and I just kind of went right above it. And when I went down into the light Bermuda Bay. And then I came over here and I colored this in, and I pulled that down with it to color the rest of that tail. Okay, so that's how I did the blue part. Then I took Pumpkin Pie Dark, and I went right above the Pool Party. And then I'm going to get Pumpkin Pie Light. Well, I also went, I should tell you, I went up here first too. I went around these little hands. I went in the cracks, a little bit around it, and I went a little bit around her neck. Like that. Okay? And then I took the light, and I went right along here. I blended out a little bit of that dark. I just kind of kept blending everything. And then I went up here and added a little bit of light. And I colored this in light. And then I went back with the dark right here. Just like that. And then we kind of got this harsh mark between the Pool Party and the orange, and I just kind of blended that a little bit. It made it like a bluish orange, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what I did right there. And you would, if you make it, you'll understand what I did. Then I took the dark Daffodil Delight, and I kind of went over here a little ways, and I went right down here and right up here, just a little bit. And then I took the light and I went right up on top, right up around his feet. I kind of blended this in with the orange and the, I did the same thing over here, and I kind of just blended these colors in on both ends. And then while I got the yellow, I colored my chick. I colored them all in yellow. Okay. And then I'm going to take the dark, and I just kind of drew a line around one side of him here. And then I went ahead and I colored him in like that. And then that, oh, then I took the dark Pumpkin Pie and I did his little beak. And I did his feet. And that is how I colored that cute little chicken. And then I went ahead and I took, again, the smoky slate, and I added like a little ground here and made it look like he was hanging out. Just like that. So now we'll put this card together. So I'm going to zoom you guys back out. Okay. So we'll get our card base in here. And our mistake side. And I think this, nope. I was going to say, I think it ran out, but it hasn't yet. But it's going to feel it. I got another one all ready for us. And I just kept this all flat. I did not pop anything up. I kept everything flat. And there you go. That is the card for today. I hope you enjoyed the card. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. And I will see you next time. Like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.